Hello everyone, today we have another video brought to you by Danice Electrical Services, and today we have a non-contact voltage tester by Klein tools. And today I will be showing you how to use a non-contact voltage tester, why to use a non-contact voltage tester, and when to use a non-contact voltage. So let's just get right into this video. Okay, so the first thing is, when do you use a non-contact voltage tester? Or I think I'm going to start with why should you? No, you know what I'm going to start with? I'm going to start with what is a non-contact voltage tester. Okay, so the non-contact voltage tester is what you use to test if the circuit is hot or not. So it's what you use to test if the circuit is live or not. And I will use another term. It is what you use to test if the circuit is energized or not. Okay, so I give you three different terms there: hot, live, or energized, and that means you will get electric shock. Okay, so a non-contact voltage tester, as its name suggests, non-contact, it means that you don't necessarily have to make contact with the conductor itself. It can test if the voltage is hot through the insulator, and sometimes through double insulation, like for instance a Romex cable, right? Okay, so when do you use a non-contact voltage tester? Okay, personally, when I am working on an electrical outlet, I normally use my multimeter and use the voltage settings and test if a voltage is live or not. Sometimes I just need to know which of the wire is the live. Sometimes I just need to know if the circuit is energized, right? Sometimes I'm just double checking if the circuit is energized, because I might have think I turn off the source and I did not, and you know, it's always good to double check and be safe. So that is one of the main reasons. Another reason is if you're working on an if you're working on a switch and you want to know if the circuit is live, this is very good. I'm going to show you an up close and personal demonstration of that. Okay, so we have right here our electrical outlet, and for instance I want to know if this circuit, in this contact should be the hot. It's the one at the top, that should be the live. So I'm going to insert it, and I get a beep, and you see the red light turn on. That means it is hot. If I put it on the neutral, you realize that I didn't get that sound in the hot. So that also tells me which one is my live, right? So it tells me which one is hot, which one is not, and I can try it through the Romex cable. So if I put it on this side, I realize that I get a little I hear a little sound, and if I put it on the left, I don't. So it tells me that the hot is run on this side of the Romex cable, and on this side is the neutral, right? If I come here and kind of, sometimes, you know, I get a little beep there if you kind of put it to the right side, but you can tell definitely that the right is the hot and the left is the neutral, right? So let's go to our light switch. Okay, so here I have my light switch, right? And you know, sometimes when working in the light switch, you want to know which one is your source and which one is your return. Also, you want to know if you're getting power in the switch. Two ways you normally do that is you'll connect to the source, and you'll try to connect to the ground if you have a ground coming in, right? In some instances you might realize that you doesn't have a ground. I have a ground coming in right here, but it's not connected to anything, so I'll be good. So if you don't have a ground coming in, you can't use your voltage meter to test if you're actually receiving any voltage, right? So if you want to test to see if which line is your live, or if the wire is actually hot, this is the perfect thing. So I'll touch this one here. Oh, currently the light is on, so both sides is going to act as hot. So let me just turn one of the lights off. Alright, so the lights is now off. And if I touch this one, I realized that I'm getting a sound and the red light is on, which means that is my at. If I touch the next one, I don't get any sound and the red light is not on, which means that that one is the return. And if I turn it on now, the return will also get hot. The source coming in will be hot and the return is also hot. And again, you can test it through the raw mix. So let me just turn the light off again. On this side, you got your hot coming in, which is your source. And this side, you don't get any sound. Only sometimes you get sound, but for the most part you don't get any. So I mean, this is your return. And if you turn your light on, you should get a sound on your return as well as on your source. So that's when, how, and why you should use your non-contact voltage tester. So guys, that was another video brought to you by Danai's Electrical Services. Please comment below, let me know what you think about this video. Also, please remember to subscribe for more videos like these, electrical related videos. Thank you very much.